You spent 3 hours on a live stream. 12 people watched. Channels half your size are streaming 24/7 and growing faster than you. What do they know that you don't? They use pre-recorded live streaming technology. Here's the difference. A regular live stream means you're physically there, broadcasting in real time. A pre-recorded live stream uses the exact same broadcasting protocol, but sends a video file instead of your camera feed. To YouTube and viewers, both look identical. Same red live badge, same chat functionality, same notifications, same placement in the live tab. The only difference, the content was recorded earlier. You can even schedule announcements, share in community tab, send push notifications, exactly like traditional streaming. The technology is the same, the experience is the same, but now you can scale beyond being physically present. So why should you care about this technology? 4 reasons that add up to a massive opportunity. First, live streaming isn't a trend, it's the new default. In 2025, live streaming crossed 36 billion hours watched globally. YouTube owns nearly half of that market. Viewers are hungry for live content. Second, YouTube is building its future around live. They've certified partners like Gyre at LiveCon 2025, built dedicated live discovery features, and prioritized live content in recommendations. The platform wants more streaming, not less. Third, live viewers stay 3 times longer and pay more. Viewers spend over 25 minutes per live session versus 8 minutes for regular videos. Longer watch time means higher RPM and better monetization. Statistically, live content performs. Fourth, this is where it gets interesting. Some channels were never built for live. No face, no team, no time. Pre-recorded streaming changes that. You already filmed the content. Why not let it run on repeat? Let me show you 4 types of channels already crushing it with pre-recorded live streams. Music channels, lo-fi playlists, study beats, meditation soundscapes, content that works on repeat and benefits from the radio station feeling of continuous play. Educational content, course replays, tutorial marathons, language learning loops. Viewers drop in and out, but the valuable content keeps flowing. Lifestyle and ambience, cozy cabin fireplaces, rain sounds, productivity sessions, background content that people leave running while they work or relax. Business and motivation, evergreen webinars, expert talks, industry insights, professional content that deserves multiple exposure opportunities. Great content doesn't expire. If people watched it once, they'll watch it live, and YouTube will push it harder because it's a stream. If that sounds like your archive, you're sitting on a gold mine. You can do this for free with OBS. Paste your stream key, add a media source, hit start. It works, but your computer has to stay on. There's no loop, no schedule. If your Wi-Fi blinks, the stream is gone. Or you use Gyre. Upload your videos, set the order, pick a time, done. Gyre streams from the cloud. Your laptop can be closed. The playlist loops automatically, and if something hiccups server side, it recovers on its own. Plans start at $49 a month, and there's a free 7-day trial. Tip 1. Schedule for peak hours. Check YouTube analytics. Find when your audience is online. Schedule your pre-recorded stream for that window. Initial viewers equals algorithm signal. Tip 2. Be in the chat. The video is pre-recorded, but you can still be in the chat live. Answer questions. Viewers who feel seen stay longer. Tip 3. Build themed playlists. Don't loop random videos. Focus music 24/7. Travel vlogs marathon. Themed content keeps viewers watching. Retention up. YouTube shows it to more people. If you want to test pre-recorded live streaming for your channel, try Gyre. Link in the description. Free trial for 7 days to see if this approach works for your content type. The setup is straightforward. Upload your videos, configure your playlist, launch and relaunch as you test different approaches. Adapt the strategy for your specific channel and audience. And if you want the full breakdown, tools, policies, technical details, check the article linked below. See you in the next one. Plus, Gyre operates within YouTube's rules. We're partners and included in the recommended services catalog for streaming, so you can trust it won't jeopardize your channel.
Learn more about Gyre in the following videos. See you there.